Today, the live cattle was higher. The cash business is just trickling in, even though it's Wednesday. What's been happening for the last number of months, each week we just look for the cash trade and the real business to come in at the end of the week, which would be Thursday and Friday. Sometimes it just doesn't even come till Friday afternoon, but the real participation really isn't expected till tomorrow, and we are expecting really lackluster trade as we move into 2018. But the fact that the market hasn't really come down at all just tells us that there really is an equilibrium in the price mechanism right now, and so real value is exactly where it's supposed to be, and there isn't even a lot of trade, and that just tells us that it could remain like that until we get some other fundamental news to give us a little bit of direction. The feeders were also firm. Short covering is on the increase, and that kind of gave the market a little bit of a pop. Now that there's a little bit of follow-through buying after that triple-digit rally, showing real strength and actually some momentum that we're moving into the end of the year, which has been kind of a surprise because feeders has really been on quite the decline for all of this year. The hogs today were steady. The pork values remain very firm, and the better demand to start the 2019 year is really what the focus is right now. So it looks like perhaps the fact that fact will give us a little more support, and more support going into the end of the year. Now, seasonally, pork prices do usually rally here in the last 2 weeks of the year, so we see that there should be some buoyancy here in the market. But let's not forget that the African swine fever is still lurking, and some issues that will definitely cut into the imports from China. And after all is said and done with the U.S.-China tariff wars, that could be the one tell that could possibly be the big spike in the market here. But that remains to be seen a little bit further down the road. But we're watching that closely. But that still looms.